The rigid caste system is disappearing in India. The major factors responsible for this social reforms like Jyotiba Phule, Gandhi ji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar advocated and worked to establish a society in which caste inequalities are absent. Economic factors. With economic development, large-scale urbanization, growth of literacy rate, and occupational mobility, and the weakening of the position of landlords in the villages. Now, most of the time in urban area, it does not matter much who is working along next to us on a street or eating at the next level in a restaurant. Constitution. The Constitution of India prohibits discrimination of any type. It provides equal opportunities to all. Now, caste has not still disappeared from India. 3 examples of justify this statement. Even now, most people marry within their own caste or tribe. Untouchability has not ended completely despite constitution prohibition. Caste continues to closely linked to economic status. Now the last topic, what you have learned from this lesson. Women do all work inside the home such as cooking, cleaning, washing clothes and looking after children. What you have learned from this lesson, women do all work inside the home such as cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, looking after their children, etc. This indicates that women plays very important role in family life. In villages, women fetch water, collect fuel and work in the fields. This indicates that there is need to spread education among women in rural areas. The urban areas, poor women work as domestic helper in middle class home, while middle class women work in the offices. Nowadays, the women are working as a scientist, engineer and doctors in every field of life. Thank you.